Students, good morning to everybody. Now, today we are going to discussing about another problem on the basement of the operation table. So, they were asked the question star be the binary operation on the set, star be the binary operation on the set. So, this is a binary operation on which set they are given a set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 defined by they are defined A star B is equal to HCF of A and B. A star B is equal to HCF of A and B. HCF it means that highest common factorial. Already in previous classes we learnt about this one, highest common factor, highest common factor, highest common factor. So okay, 1 star 1, what happened? A star B, it means these are all considered as a A and these are all considered as a B. So 1 star 1 is equal to HCF of 1 and 1. What it means? HCF of 1 and 1, it means that first we should write, so 1 is divisible by which number? First you should write that one. So 1 is divisible by 1 only, and another one B is also divisible by 1 only. So here there is a only one number is a common in between these two values, just that's why we should write 1 only. Okay, next one, in between these two values 1 and 2, 1 this is a takes as a 1 is divisible by only one number, and 2 is divisible by which numbers? It has made, you have to take the case multiples of 2 is divisible by which numbers? 2 is divisible by 1 and 2 is divisible by 2. In between these two values, what is a common value? Here there is a common value is, highest common value is 1, that's why I should write 1. And next you should take that is 1 and 3, 1 is divisible by 1 only, 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. What is common factor? There is a 1 only common factor. 1 and 4 common factor is 1, and 1 and 5 common factor is 5. Okay, now let us come to the 2 and this one 1. 2 and 1, what happened this one? 2, this one 2 and 1. 2 is divisible by 1 and 2, 1 is divisible by 1 only, that's why common factor is 1, we should write 1. So next 2, it's divisible by 1 and 2, here there is a 2 and 2, 2 is also divisible by, so 1 and 2. What is common factor? Highest common factor is, what is highest common factor is, except 1 there is a common factor is 2 is there, that's why we should write 2. And 2 and 3, what is common factor? It is divisible by 1 and 2, 3 it is divisible by 1 and 3, common, what is a common value is there? So here in between these two values common value is 1 and 2 4, so 2 is divisible by 1 and 2, 4 is divisible by 1 and 2 and 4. Okay, is it possible? Okay, yes, correct. So here what is the highest common factor? Here except 1, what is the highest common factor? There is a common factor is highest 2, and 2 and 5 there is a 1, because of so in the multiple of 2 nothing to contain the 5 elements, 5 is not contain the 2 also, it is odd number, that's why 3 and HCF of the HCF of 3 and 1 is 1, 3 and 2 is 1, 3 and 3 is, what is HCF of this one? 3 is multiple of multiple, it means that divisible by 1 and 3, 3 is divisible by 1 and 3. What is common factor? 3 is a common factor, should write 3 and 4, what is common factor? Here it is a only one common factor. 3 and 5, it is a only one, 4 and 1, 1. So next 4 and 2, just to check that one, 4 is divisible by 1, 2, 4, and 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. What is common? So 2 is common, just write 2, 2, 4, 3, 1, 4, 4, 4, and 4, 5, 1, 5, 1, 1, 5, 2, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 4, 1, and 5, 5, it's to be a 5. Okay, now this is the construction about operation table whenever they are given a HCF of A and B. I hope these are all understood about this one. Okay, next we go to the problem is next one problem is this one is asked in 17 March. This one is let star star be a binary operation on n, binary operation on n given by a star b is equal to LCM of a and b. Find first one is 5 star 7 and 20 star 16. Second one is star commutative, they were asked is star commutative. And third one is star associative, it is possible to make associative. So just you have to read, this one is 1 marks question. So they are not asking these are all the 3 questions. For 1 marks they are asked only 1 questions, whichever and whatever they are asked, we don't know about that one question. 17 marks they are asking this one LCM of a and b. Just for a 1 marks they are asked only 1 statement. Those are not asking these are all the 3 statements. Just they are asked only 1 statement, whichever this we don't know about that one. Okay, first one is, what is this one? Given problem is a star b is LCM of a and b. A star b is LCM of a and b. First you should find, that is a 5 star 7. So we should write 5 star 7 LCM of 5 and 7. What is LCM? 5 7 5 ones are 7 and 7 ones are 35. So is it possible? 35, 5 and 7 both are belongs to be a natural number. 5 and 7 are both are belongs to natural number. 35 is also belongs to be a natural number. Next one. So next one how to that one 20 star 16 is equal to LCM of 20 and 16. It means that 20 and 16 LCM of 20 and 16 is, it is to take 2, it is 10 8 and 2 5 4 and it is 2 5 2 and 2 5 1, it means 5 1 1. Add 4 8 16. So 16 into 5 30. So 80. Answer is 80. So 20 and 60 are belongs to natural number. This 80 is also belongs to a natural number. Okay, next one we go to the commutative. It is possible to commutative. Is it possible to commutative? It means that is that given star is commutative. Is that given star is commutative? We have to check that one. Okay, second one is, what often commutative property, it will tells us what often commutative property, it will tells us what it tells us. A star b is equal to b star a. A star b is equal to b star a. Okay, a star b is equal to b star a. What is a star b? What is a star b? A star b is LCM of a and b. LCM of a and b is equal to, a star b is equal to LCM of a and b. A is there, first one a element is there, that's why we should take a. Here there is a second element is b is there, that's why we should take a b. Here, so here first one element is b is there, that's why we should take a LCM of b and a. LCM of b and a, both are same. A and b LCM ಒಂದೇ, so b and a ದರ LCM ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ. LCM of a and b both are equal to LCM of b and a. For suppose we will take 2 4, LCM of this one 2 4 is, what happen? 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 1s are, it means 4. It is LCM is 4, and you have to changes their, alternatively changes their position. What happen? 4 and 2, what happen? 2 2s are 1, 2 1s are, it means 4, both are equal. That's why it is star is satisfied commutative property. Star is satisfies the commutative property. You have to, if you have to changes the alternative position about a and b and a, it is same. Okay now. So next one we go to the associative. It is possible to tell us about associative. Just have to check that one. Tells about this one associative. It is possible associative. associative. So what is associate tells us, it means that property, it will tells us A star B star C is equal to A star B and star C. A star B star C is equal to A star B and C. What is A star B? LCM of A and B. A star B, what is A star B? LCM of A and B. It means that except outer side A is there, we should keep that is the outer side as usual, don't change the values. And if suppose in the placement of B, if suppose we will keep, what happen this one? LCM of here there is a is there, that's why we should write A. Here there is a B is there, that's why we should write B. So if suppose I will write a B in the placement of B, and in the placement of B I will place the B and C, what happen? LCM of B and C. And again you should don't change the values. A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. So next star of C. Okay now, so if suppose we are not understood about clearly, so just we should take the numbers. It means 2 3 4. If suppose this is 2 3 belongs to be a natural number, so first one we should take, that is a is 2 and 2 star of LCM of B and C is LCM of, so 3 and 4 is equal to LCM of A and B. It means that 2 and 3 star of what's the remaining outside? 4 is remaining, because of here outside is a 4, that's why. Okay, 3 and 4, what is this one LCM? What happen? 3 ones are, okay, first you should take a minimum number. 2 3 2 and 2 3 ones are, 3 is 1 ones are, add 4 3 12. 2 star, it means that what is LCM of 3 and 4 is 12 is equal to LCM of 2 and 3. What happen this one? LCM of 2 and 3. So we should take 2 is an first element, we should take 2 ones are 2 and 3 is as it is, keep that one, and what to take here only 3. So 1 1, it means that 2 into 3 is 6 star 4 star 4. Again we will apply the star definition A star B. What it tells us? LCM of A and B. It means that 2 star 12 is LCM of 2 and 12. Here also LCM of 6 and 4. We should write that one, LCM of 2 and 12. What happened? 2 and 12 dara LCM agathra 2 and 12. It means, so minimum number is 2, that's why 2 ones are 2 6 da, 2 ones are 2 3s are, it means that 3 ones are, okay, here only 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12. Answer is 12 is equal to, what happened this one? 6 and 4, LCM between 6 and 4, what happened? So first you should take the minimum number is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, okay, so 2 3 2 1s are 2, next 3 1s are 1s are, okay, add 4 3 12. It means that both our results are equal, that's why. So this is an star is associative. Star is associative property satisfied. Star is associative property satisfied. Okay, I will give another one, just very simple problem, that's one. I should give the another one marks question. It is also a very simple question. Is star defined on the set 1 2 3 4 5 by A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. Justify your answer. Is it possible A star B is equal to star defined on the set 1 2 3 4 on the set star defined on the set 1 2 3 4 by A star B is equal to LCM of A and B, LCM of A and B, a binary operation. Sorry, this is a binary operation. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Justify your answer. Star defined on the set 1 2 3 4 by A star B is equal to LCM of A and B, a binary operation. A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. It is possible binary operations. Binary operation, it will tells us star from A cross A to A. It means that whatever you should take the elements from this Cartesian product after we applied the operation in between those two elements A comma B. So there is a result is also must and should be present in the before what you should take on the set that must be present in the same set, that is called as a binary operation. Just check that it is a 1 marks question. What they are given A star B is equal to LCM of A and B. LCM of A and B. That's why we should take two numbers A and B. We should take A and B are the two numbers from which set? So we have to take this set only. They are given that one. They are not given a real number, natural number, integers. They are not given anything, but they are given just a simple set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of that set, we have to select two numbers only. After we have to put off in the placement of A star B. You take LCM of those two numbers. If it is possible to that number is present on that set, or if it is present in that one set, it is okay binary operation, or otherwise it's not a binary operation. That is your procedure about testing the binary operation. That's why I will take that is A and B. It means 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are belongs to a that set. Which set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 and 3 are belongs to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These two elements are keep in that 2 star 3 is equal to apply LCM. LCM of 2 and 3. What happened? 2 and 3. It means 2 ones are 2. That's 1, 3, 1. 2 into 3 is 6. It is possible present in that one set. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is possible. 6 is present on that one given set. It is not present in that one given set. That's why star is not a binary operation. Star is not a binary operation. Next one, we go to the last concept in one relations and functions. There is a last concept in the which one? Here are relations and functions. That one, identity element. Identity element. Which one? That one? Identity element. Identity element. Identity element. There is a last concept in the relations and functions, identity elements. So 3 to 4 he was asked on the basement of the identity element also. 3 to 4 times they are asked 1 marks question, single marks question on the basement of this one identity element. Just you have to check this is possible to saying identity element or not. Okay now. So it's very simple. Identity, we already heard this one word. Already we heard in the previous classes also identity. What is identity? Identity, it means that what is similar, same anta artha. Okay na. So hagadra first we should take that is what is their what definition is. So an element E belongs to be A is said to be A. An element E belongs to A is said to be a identity element. Identity element. An element E belongs to A is said to be identity element with respect to binary operation. An element E belongs to A is said to be identity element with respect to binary operation when it is possible A star E is equal to A star A for all A belongs to be A. This is the definition about the identity element, identity elements. So an element E belongs to A is said to be identity element with respect to binary operation. A star A is equal to A star A is equal to A. Okay na. So this one E is identity element. E is an identity element. What purpose you will tell to it is an identity element? Just you look here. So for example, I will give a one number. A is an one number, that is real number, natural number, integer. We don't know about that one number. Just you have to consider a number. That number must and should be present in given set. Given set. A is present in given set. ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕದು. That number must and should be contained in the same set. A belongs to A ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೇವೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. A and next one you should take. Okay, I will give this one operation. It means that this one star, it means that plus, minus, multiplication and division. Okay na, so we can cover all those operation from only one operation. It means that star. Okay na, so star ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಸೊ ಗುಂಡ್ಲೆ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಮತ್ತ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Okay na, so now I will give the one binary operation. Now I will give the one binary operation plus from a cross a to a cross a to a. This one is, so we have to took two numbers from these two sets. After we getting a number is present on same set. Okay, what is binary of, sorry, what is identity element? Just you come to the, so this one concept only. What is identity element? Just you have to concentrate on this one. Very simple is that identity element. Now I will give the operation is plus. Now I will give the operation is plus. Okay, so a plus I will give this one is a. So this is the number a plus a. So what number we should add to the a number to get back again a? What number, which number we should add to the a, we again get back a? ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಏಕ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ತೀರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರ which number is added to that one a, we get back again a. Which number? So which number? Already we know that 0 is an a, only specifically one number is to be added to a, it's again we get back a. Okay now, so this is a plus 0, 0 plus a is also similar. A, how to write this one? A plus 0. Similarly, that's type only 0 plus a we should write. 0 plus a is equal to a. That's why identity element is satisfies the commutative property for the addition and multiplication only. So a plus 0 equal to a is equal to 0 plus a. Here 0 is an a. 0 is an a. What is this one? 0 is an a. Identity element of 0 is an a. Identity element of which one? Identity element for addition. Identity element for addition. This is very simple. A star it means that plus 0 is an identity element is equal to, we get back again a is equal to e is 0 plus a. Okay now, a plus 0 is equal to a is equal to 0 plus a. This is called as an a. So to getting the value of identity element here in this here, so 0 as an identity element. If suppose they are asked the definition about an identity element, just we should write this type only. An element a belongs to a is said to be identity element with respect to binary operation. With respect to binary operation, so it means that a star is equal to a, e star a. Why? What is the reason for to taking that is with respect to binary operation? It means that so whatever and whichever take the numbers, these two numbers a and 0, those two numbers must and should be present in a cross a. After we applied the operation in between those two numbers, we getting the element that must be present in the same set. Okay na, a plus 0 it tends to a. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು? a cross a ದೊಳಗಿರಬೇಕು. After we will make operate, we get back again that one result. That results also present in the same set, or otherwise it is not called as an binary. Sorry, otherwise it is not called as an identity element. Okay. For example, another one, take that one. Another one. Example. So I will take again a. So this is a star. It means that plus, minus, multiplication and division. Okay. So I will give the one operation is multiplication. It means that if suppose again I will write a. So if suppose which number we should be multiplied to the a to again get back a. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏಕ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ಎ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರ which number is to multiply to the a, you should get back again a. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗುಣಿಸಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಹೊಳಿ ಎ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1 into 2 is equal to 2, 1 into 3 is equal to 3, 1 into 4 is equal to 4. That's why we should multiply into 1 is equal to, so this one write as a 1 cross A. Okay now, so here, so just you have to refer this one, just refer this one. Here A is there, star is into, E is 1 and is equal to A is there, E is 1, star is multiple and A is there. Okay now, this is a better example. This is better example. We can take, this is 1 is an a multiplication identity. It means that 1 is an identity element for which one? Identity element for the multiplication. Okay now, so now we go to this one. I hope you are understanding about this one. What is very simple definition is, an element E belongs to A is said to be binary identity element with respect to binary operation. We should remember this one only. A star E is equal to A, A star A is equal to A, A star A, and for all A belongs to be A. Whatever you should take a numbers, so you must and should be take a numbers from the set A. So okay, next one. So you go to the problems on this one, identity element. Okay. What are the problems? Just you have to write with pause. Let star be a binary operation, on the set Q. Just remember, we have to make semicolon Q. It means that rational numbers. Which set they are given? Rational numbers. So Q of, they are already give the explanation about that one. Q of rational numbers as follows. First one is A star B is equal to AB by 4. This question is asked 15 March. This question is asked in 15 March and 17 June. This question is asked 2 times, 15 March and so this one is asked both the times. It means 15 March and 17 June. Okay. So let us come to the problem, students. Its identity, it is very important because of 3 to 4 times. If you are observing from the 14 to 20 question papers, 3 to 4 times they are asked this type of the questions. Let us check identity on this one problem. They are asked very simple question. This type they are given. Just you have to check that one, identity element. Okay now, identity elements, it must and should be satisfies the commutative property. Remember that one. Okay, A star B is equal to AB by 4. They are given A star B. What is the procedure as followed on the this one procedure about this one? Which one? Identity element. So identity element definition still they were not asking still. So that's why you don't concentrate on that one. Please just concentrate on the, so how much of the problems are there in your NCERT textbook? Those are all the problems you must and should be solved. I will only solve 5 to 6 problems only. So extra there are 8 to 9 questions are there only. You must and should I solve the 4 to 5 questions. Okay. Now A star B is equal to AB by 4. A star B is equal to AB by 4. Okay. A star B is equal to AB by 4. Okay. So what is the identity element tells us? A star E is equal to A star E. It means that A star E ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? A star E ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಏನ ಬರಬೇಕು? Remember students, if you make A star E to get back again A, if you make A star E to again get back A, if suppose we are not getting the value of A, it is not a binary, it is not a identity element. Okay, for all A belongs to which set? Rational number set. Okay now, So first you should concentrate here. It's a very simple problem. What is A star B? What is A star B? AB by 4. A star B is AB by 4. You should remember AB by 4. A star B is equal to AB by 4. Okay. So now I will this one section. I will take this one section only. A star E is equal to A. A star E is equal to A. A star A is equal to A. Remember A star E is equal to A. Okay. Concentrate this one. Here there is a is there. Here there is a is there. That's the reason we keep A. Here there is a is there. That's why we should keep A. Here there is a B is there. That's why we should keep B. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಇದ್ದದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ B ಇದ್ದದಕ್ಕೆ B ಬಂದಿದೆ. If suppose here in the placement of A, here that's why I will keep A only. In the placement of B, if suppose E is there. In the placement of B, if suppose E is there, what is element which is occurs? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಎ ತುಂಬಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಇ. ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಇ. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಇದರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಎ ಆಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲೋ? ಎ ಇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 4 is equal to A. Now this one 4 can be shifted into RHS side. What happen? AE is equal to 4A. Now this one A cancel. What's remaining? E is equal to 4 is remaining. E is equal to 4 is remaining. Just you have to check that. If suppose if you are going to making this one A star A is equal to A. A star A is equal to A. A star A is equal to A. It is possible to getting the answer is same 4. It is okay. It is identity element, or otherwise it is not satisfies the identity element. Just have to check that one. AB is equal to AB by 4. In the placement of A, I should keep A. In the placement of A, I should keep A. What happen? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? A star B is equal to AB divided by 4 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಾರಿಲ್ಲೋ. So in the placement of A, I should keep E. I should keep E. In the placement of B, I should keep A. What happen? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? A ದರ ಜಾಗದೊಳಗ E fill up ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? E ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? B ದರ ಜಾಗದಾಗ E fill up ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? E ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 4. EA divided by 4 is equal to A. 4 shift ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. AA is equal to 4A. AA can cancel. E is equal to 4. Okay. E is equal to E. So both are equal. That's why star is binary element. Sorry, star is an identity element satisfied. Identity element satisfied. Identity element satisfied on which set? Q. E is equal to E. Star is an identity. Identity ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ರಲ್ಲ. Star is identity on which one? Q. Rational numbers. Now let us go to the second one problem. Very simple is that just you have to check. First you should write whatever they can be asked. A star is equal to A is equal to A star A. And first once again we will write the given definition. A star B is equal to AB by 4. In the placement of A we should fill A. In the placement of B again we should fill A. What happened? Here is A is there. That's why A. Here there is a B is there. Here in the placement of E. Here there is a E is there. That's why 4 is shifted. A is equal to 4A. A get cancelled. E is equal to 4. And next, once again you have to check that one. A is equal to A star A. E star A is equal to A. In the placement of E star A, it means that in the placement of A we should keep E. What happened? In the placement of B we should keep E. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? E ದರ ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಏನು ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? E. B ದರ ಜಾಗದಾಗ ಏನು ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? A ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. A divided by 4 is equal to 4. It is the procedure for solving. If suppose this is equal, it means that identity is satisfied. Or otherwise it is not satisfied. Okay na? So next one you go to the simple problem. A star B is equal to A minus B. A star B is equal to A minus B. A star B is equal to A minus B. What they will give? A star B is equal to A minus B. Once again we will write what is the definition about identity A star E is equal to A, E star A, A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. Okay, so once again we will write definitions. A star B is equal to A minus B. Okay, so consider this one, consider A star E is equal to A. Here there is a is there, here there is a is there, that's why I will keep A. Here there is B is there, that's why we should keep B. Just we should transfer, we should changes their values. In the placement of A, I will keep A. In between these two values, minus is there. As usual, we should keep minus. And in the placement of B, E is there. In the placement of B, so should fill E. What often? Minus A is equal to A. Shift madri, yenagutta minus E. A minus A 0. A is equal to minus C kade bantadre yenagattado 0 divided by minus 1 agutta. Andra 0 divided by anything is considered as a 0. E equal to 0. Next one, you come to the point. So this one, E star A is equal to A. E star A is equal to A. So again we will write once again E star B is equal to A minus B. So okay, in the placement of A is there. In the placement of A, we should keep E. What I found this one. So we will write here in this A star B is equal to A minus B. In the placement of E, so we should keep E. In the placement of A, we should keep E, and star of in the placement of B, we should keep what? A. In the placement of E, we should keep A. What I found? So in the placement of A, what is element? So what is the element? E is there. That's why I should keep A. In minus, we should apply minus is equal to minus is equal to. In the placement of B, what is the element is there? A is there. That's why we should keep A. It means E minus A ikkade hodra 2A aatu. So is it possible to both are equal? Is it possible? It doesn't equal. That's why star is not an identity. Star is not an identity. It is an star is not an identity. Now we come to the point. Next one is A star B is equal to A plus AB. A star B is equal to A star B is equal to A plus AB. A star B is equal to A plus AB. Okay. So once again we will write what is the definition about A star B. Sorry, A star E is equal to A. A star A for all E belongs to a set A. Okay. So what is the given condition? A star B is equal to A plus AB. A plus AB. Okay. So I will take this one. A star E. A star E is equal to A. A star E is equal to A. So here in the placement of A, that's why here A is there, and here also A is there. In the placement of A, we should take A plus A. A plus A. Here there is a is there, that's why we should take here. Here there is also A. In the placement of B, E is there. In the placement of B, E is there. That's why in the placement of B, we should keep E is equal to A. What happened? So in between these two values, what is common? A is a common. That's why I should take A as a common. What's remaining? If suppose A is take outside, 1 plus E is equal to A, and what happened? So this one is divided by what happened? This one A plus AB. If suppose this one is takes 1 plus E is equal to A divided by A, it means 1 plus A is equal to 1. E 1 ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 minus 1 it tells A is equal to 0. E is equal to 0. Next we should take another one. What happened? E star A is equal to A. E star A is equal to A. What happened? That one? A star A is equal to A. What I found this one? A star A is equal to A. So okay, what is A star B is equal to A plus AB. In the placement of A, so we should keep in the placement of A, we should keep A, and in the placement of B, we should keep A. What I found? So wherever there is a A is there, we should keep E. Wherever there is a A is there, we should keep E. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಐತಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ E fill up ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ A ಐತಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ E fill up ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎ ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್? ಇ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್. 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ. ಇ ಆಫ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಎ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ಇ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇ ಆತ, ಇ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಇ ಈಸ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಈಸ್ not a identity. Star is not identity on rational numbers. I will take another one more example. AB square. A star B is equal to AB square. A star B is equal to AB square. Once again we should write what is condition. A star B is equal to A star E is equal to A and E star E. A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A. So first one we should take, that is what is condition. A star B is equal to AB square. A star B is equal to AB square. To take that one, A star E is equal to A. A star E is equal to A. So here there is a, in the placement of A, that's why it is a A is there. In the placement of B, that's why it is a B is there. A is the K iti, B is the B iti. So in the placement of A, we should take A only. A is the K na iti, don't change the value of A. And in the placement of B, that's why it is a B is there. If suppose I will keep B, E, what of an A star E ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ is equal to A. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ B ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು E ಅನ್ನು ಫಿಲ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. A E square is equal to A. E square is equal to A divided by A. It's cancel. E square is equal to 1. Root square ಅನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, root 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. E is equal to plus or minus 1. E is equal to plus or minus 1. Now let us check that one, another one. So A equal to A star A. A star A is equal to A. So first we should write, that is given function A star B is equal to AB square. A star B is equal to AB square. So here in the placement of A, that's why it is an A is there. If suppose I will keep A and in the placement of B I should keep A. A ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, E ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. B ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, A ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. A square. A square is equal to A. A square. It means that just we need only A. That's why A square can be shifted into LHS side. What happen? A divided by A square. Once ಏನು ಉಳಿತು, A ಉಳಿತು. E is equal to A. E, is it possible to make both are equal? It is not possible to both are equal. So that's why star is not identity. Star is not identity. One more I will given to you. You have to just check in your homework this one. A star B is equal to A minus B whole square. So we should check this one. Is it possible to tell us binary operation or not? Okay.